Hi, my name is Roberto Ferranti. I'm a video maker from Nehwa, Rome Bureau. The COVID-19 pandemic suddenly changed my life a lot, both professionally and personally. At the beginning, just a small thing, for example, wearing a mask or respect a safe distance. But in a few weeks, the lockdown came. So we were not able anymore to go out just to take a walk. We could go to buy food. My daughter couldn't go to school. The schools were closed. So I have been working in remote for many months now. I can't go out as before to shoot many stories around the country. I have to use some public signal or make some interview in a video call. And when I go out to shoot some story, to shoot some footages for my work, I feel like people are afraid. They don't feel safe, they don't feel comfortable. I remember the time of the lockdown, of the straight lockdown in the last winter. Sometimes have been to shoot some story inside the hospital. And I remember that kind of feeling. Around me, I saw the doctors tired, worried, very careful to everything they did. I had to think every move I made because maybe I can't realize that I was too close to someone else. So my job was tougher than usual. I have to be much more concentrated than usual. I have to care about what I'm doing, to make a good job, to shoot the good stories, to keep the quality of my job high. Now the situation is getting better. I have to say that now the situation is slowly going to a kind of new normality. People go out, we can go out much more than before. There is a kind of lockdown during the night time from 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. But shops are open. I start working again, so I can go out much more than before to shoot and cover the story we want to do. But I still feel a kind of restriction because it's not easy to travel around the country and cover the stories that as I used to do before. Now the attention of the media is concentrated on the health crisis and economical crisis. So we don't have so much time to cover other kind of story. Just to make the people feel better, make them happy. I'm really looking forward to start to be able to cover again that kind of story. So I'm looking forward to a normal way to work again as before.